Hi everyone! If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. And if you are not part of the family, then what you waiting for? Press that button to subscribe. Honestly guys, it will mean like literally a world if you're gonna press the button and subscribe to my channel. So this video, I currently been wearing this makeup look that I'm gonna create now. Not every day, but like a lot. And I've been posting about it on my Insta stories and all, and I got asked to do this video, so here it is. So I'm gonna be using mainly NYX Ultimate Brights Eyeshadow Palette. I honestly love this palette. I did the review video and a tutorial. It's on my channel if you haven't seen, guys. So I think without any further ado, we should start. So first thing, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prime my eyelids. And by saying prime, I'm just gonna use the foundation to do that. So I'm gonna go with a NYX Stay Matte but not flat foundation in color nude. So I'm just gonna prep my eyelids with that. You can use an eyeshadow primer if you wish, but I feel like this works just the same. And by the way, I still have my lash extensions on. I mean, two of them that's still hanging on. So in case you're wondering what the heck is going on with her lashes, this is what it is. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the pressed powder to set it. What I'm doing first, I'm gonna go with combination of these two colors as my transition color. And when I say transition color, I mean I'm gonna go higher when my crease is, and then pack a little bit on the outer and inner corner, as we're gonna do kind of like a halo. I'm not bothered much, by the way, by the outer corner outline because I'm not wearing any foundation whatsoever at the moment. So later when I'm gonna be applying foundation, I'm gonna clean this part. As you see, I'm leaving middle empty as we're gonna do that halo effect. So next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna take this brighter color and go in exactly same place. I'm just gonna take a clean fluffy brush and kind of blend the colors through. I'm taking this color in here and I'm gonna go on the outer corners and on the inner corners of my mobile lid. I'm gonna pack this color on. By the way, with this makeup look, I got inspired by Norvina, Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, because always purples and everything. And I'm kind of blending it through the crease part as well, because I don't want any harsh lines, so I'm just dragging with what is left on the brush, not adding any more product or anything. And that's why I'm using the same brush, as you can tell. I'm just gonna clean up this part in the middle on the mobile lid a little bit so we can apply the lighter color and create that sunset effect. So for that, I'm just gonna use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Clean up the part slightly bit higher when your natural creases, so that would actually show the color later when your eyes open. So next thing you can do is set this concealer with the powder or go in straight away with the eyeshadow. I'm actually gonna go straight away with the eyeshadow as I want it to be more intense. So I'm gonna go with this orangey yellow color in here and I'm gonna pack it on my mobile lid on this part where we applied now the concealer. So I'm just using my finger as I want the color to be really intense, and later I'm gonna use a brush to blend this out. So taking a clean brush and just blending this. So I feel like I want this inner and outer corner color to be a little bit more intense, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of this color. And kind of blending together this orangey one that we just applied. Alright, I think it's enough blending for now. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm taking Kiko Milano Super Color Eyeliner in 101, which is basically a gold eyeliner. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna draw a little, like a half crease on the top where the yellow color finishes. If that makes any sense what I'm saying? I mean, just follow me, guys. So next step I'm gonna apply some lashes. So for this look, I'm gonna go with Huda Beauty, I think, and Noel number 14. And the lashes are on. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna apply the foundation, contour a little bit and all, and then go in with that lower lash line. So foundation, I'm gonna go with NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat in Nude. So I'm gonna let the foundation to set in, and we're just gonna move and do the lower lash line. So for that, I think I'm gonna go with this color in here, like burnt orange, and kind of concentrate more in the middle of the lower lash line and then blend the color through. And then in the inner and outer corner of the lower lash line, I'm gonna add this color. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Worth the Hype mascara. And for contour today, I'm gonna use e.l.f. Total Face Palette, and I use this color in here. And the makeup look is complete. What do you think, guys? I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Honestly, this is super easy makeup look to recreate. I've been obsessed with this makeup look or like similar makeup look for a while now, and it doesn't take much time to create that. As you seen, you just pack a color and then blend a little bit. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly, that would mean a world to me if you will press a button to subscribe and be a part of my family. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below, and I'm gonna see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Ciao. See you soon.